That's a good one. Yeah, I could have did it. No. Yo, road. Lick, there. Yeah? Brand new X6.
Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from Kingmixup, it's not credible, and you already know the deal, my peeps. My day yourself for telling no what go on for that to go on, you see me, so I don't know if I heard the news, but earlier this morning we get a message saying that Cartel, Big Son, crashed earlier today in St. Anne's, you see me, I say, and the X6 it right off, you feel me, and you seen in the beginning of the video, that was Matsus. You see, I said Kyro was also in the video. Another vehicle. But you don't know, the thing said it wasn't their fault, you feel me? Because a lot of people, like I said, probably drinking and all them foolishness tell you. But no, these people were heading towards Stone. And one green Toyota that almost right them off was heading towards Mobile. You see, I say. So them says that the green Toyota was in the wrong. And as you can see, by the way, how their vehicle was hit, you can determine that they were the victims. You see me? So I'm just giving a quick update what go on for it to go on. It's serious because as you can see, the car right off, but everybody is okay. And that's the order of the day. You see me? I said, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. The numbers are in and the fans that is in a frenzy. Yes, Dancehall King Vybz Kartel, he sold about 6,000 copies. You see me? I said, and that is definitely a good look. You feel me? He had about 4,000, premium streams. And, he had about 617 pure album sales. You see me, I say, and the people them is talking. Some people say it flop, some people say it look good. You don't know the thing said when the numbers come out, because Alkaline sell this, Massacre is looking to sell that. And all of these big names like Sean Paul and all of these stuff. Me not gonna read them comments, I only can read them out on myself. But me just gotta tell them to say, me not really business about album sales, obviously, because I know me I sell them. You see me, I say yes about the album, but like I always said, nobody really buys albums, and the only people that really sell albums is like Adele, Drake, Beyonce, Jay-Z and them people there. So my things is about how much I get for the tour. You see me, I say if you're not being booked and you're not doing shows, you're not really saying nothing out to you. And at the end of the day, Kartel is still the highest booked dancehall artist right now. So he is still winning and he's still the king. He's a man say, and I can disagree with me, but like I said, nobody really buys music unless you are the people them that I just mentioned. This is man say, and this is an independent thing as well. But me just giving a quick update while going with the Palmers. You see me, so do the right thing and subscribe to the king and turn on the notification bell. Check out these next suggested videos and the sip on the screen, and in the meantime, see you. Bless.